Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to talk about the Apache Spam Assassin, and we're going to click in the icon in the email section. Now when we enable Spam Assassin, this will be working inside of our inbox, and that is whether or not we're going to have that email pulled in by a client or whether or not we choose to access that email through one of the three web clients that we saw in an earlier video. And all we have to do to enable Spam Assassin on our email box is to click Enable. Now one thing that we'll want to do is we'll want to set the filter, and we can set the filter based on the email that the system will delete when it's marked as spam. So we can determine whether or not we want to have it be more conservative or whether or not we want it to be less conservative. And the default setting is 5. So once you determine how much spam that you want to have deleted, you can then set your spam score. And once you do that, you'll then click Auto Delete Spam. Now this is most conservative because the spam score must be a 10 or higher, which is the highest that it can possibly be. Again, if you want it to be lower, you can set it lower than 5. Now there are other settings that we can configure for Spam Assassin. We'll click this button. Now we can blacklist email from certain addresses. We can write those addresses here in these dialog boxes. We can also whitelist email, which means then we want it to come through even if it looks like spam. Now you can set your required score. cPanel suggests that you set it between 8 and 10, so we're going to set it at 9. And once we do that, we can then click Save. And then our spam monitoring will be complete. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.